At class, today's lecture number 14th. We are going to start question number 2. Find the square root of the following up to 2 decimal places. Okay. As you remember, if you remember that in previous lecture, the question number first, we have to question number first, find the square root of the following up to 3 decimal places. But in question number second, same method of finding the square root, but finding up to 2 decimals. In question number first, we have find the answer up to 3 decimal places. Now we have find the answer up to only 2 decimal places. The same method we have followed of finding the square root. So let's see how to find the square roots up to 2 decimal places for these following decimals. Okay, so let's see. Now see student, find the square root up to 2 decimal places mean decimals point के बाद 2 digits तक आंसर फाइंड करना. ओके, अप टू 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस मीन पॉइंट के बाद हमारे पास 2 डिजिट तक आंसर फाइंड करना होगा. हो सकता है कि स्क्वायर रूट का आंसर ज़्यादा भी आ सकता हो सकता है जितनी मर्जी प्लेस आगे आंसर बढ़ सकता है. ओके, only we have find only up to 2 digits. Okay, now first draw these lines and write the question. Okay, now start do pairing. Okay, how to do pairing? Start from the decimal point, the decimal term. In the decimal term we are doing pairing from decimal point in both ways. In whole number part this is called whole number part, this is called decimal part. How to make the pairs? In whole number part we have make the pair from right to left side, and but in decimal part we have making pair to left to right. Okay, now see, make pairs 1 and now this 8 remains single at extreme left. Now making pair on the right side in decimal part, first pair. Now if you see that here the 1 is a single number remain, you can add here a 0 because adding a 0 actually doesn't have changed the value, but by adding a 0 we have a complete pair. Why we have a complete pair? This pair will help us to finding the square root. So adding 0 on the right side on the decimal part actually doesn't have changed the value of the whole term. Okay, so you can add 0 here to find to have the complete pair. This pair will help you finding the square root. Okay, now bus only. Now solving. First we have solved just 8 because 8 is a single number at extreme left. Okay, now looking for a number whose square is equal to 8 or less than 8, not greater than, like 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Can we write 3 3s are 9? No, we are right only 2 2s are 4 because 3 3s are 9 is greater than 8. Now subtract the product. 8 minus 4, answer is 4. Now down this pair, next dividend become 416. Now add the divisor in the quotient right here. 2 plus 2 becomes 4. Now I have put a dot here at this place. Now assume a number at here and multiply with the same number until our answer becomes 416 or less than 416. Okay, now see here, I think 4, let us assume 4 here. 4 4 are 16, 6 here, 1 take carry, 4 4 are 16 or 117. I think 4 is 4 less. Okay, now assume 8 8 are 64, 4 here, 6 take carry, 8 4s are 32 or 6 38. Assume 9 9s are 81, 1 here, 8 take carry, 9 4s are 36 and 8 44. Okay, plus 8 becomes 44. Can we write 441 here? No, because 441 is greater than 416. You can write only this term. So assume 8 here, write 8 here also, and write 384. Now subtract the product. 6 minus 4, 2. Now take carry from this number because 1 minus 8 is not can't possible. So take carry from this number, becomes 11. 11 minus 8, here 3. Here 3 or 3 minus 3, answer is 0. So no need to write here 0. Now down the next pair. Down the next pair. Next pair is 0, 8. So write 0, 8 here. But if you see that this pair comes after the decimal point, so take this decimal point over here in the quotient also. Okay, now down this pair, at the last quotient you have multiplied, finding your answer. 8 add this value becomes 56. 48 plus 8 becomes 56. Now I have put a dot here for assuming a number here and multiply with the same number until our answer is nearest to this dividend. Okay, now assume 4. 4 4s are 16, 6 here, 1 take carry. 4 6 are 24 or 125, 5 here, 2 take carry. 4 5s are 20 or 222. Let's assume 7. Okay, 7 7s are 49, 9 here, 4 take carry. 7 6 are 42 or 4, 46, 6 here, 4 take carry. 7 5s are 35 or 4, 39. Let's assume 5, because assuming 7 is number becomes greater. Let's assume 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 here, 2 carry. 5 6 are 30, 2 32, 2 here, 3 take carry. 5 5s are 25 or 3 28. Let us assume 6. 6 6 are 36, 3 here. 6 6 are 36 or 3 39, 9 here, 3 take carry. 3 5s are 35 or 3 38. Can we write this term? No, this term is 4 greater than this, so write this term. So assume 5 here and write 28, 28, 25. Okay. Now so write here 5 also. Subtract the product. 8 minus 5, answer is 3. 0 minus 2 can't possible, so take carry from this number, becomes 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Okay, here number remain 1, so take carry from this number, becomes 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. 383. Okay, now down the next pair, 10, and add the last quotient in this term, 567. When you add 5 in this term, becomes 570. 570. Now I put a dot here for assuming a number. Assuming a number until our answer becomes nearest to that term. Okay. So students, see here. So assume a number here. So let us assume 4. 4 4s are 16. 6 here. 1 take carry. 4 zeros are 0. 1. 1. 7, 4 7s are 28. 8 here, 2 take carry. 4 5s are 20 or 2, 22. Okay, I think this number is greater than that term, so let us assume 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 here, 3 take carry. 6 zeros are 0 or 3 add, and 3 here. 6 7s are 42. 2 here, 4 take carry. 6 5s are 30 or 4, 34. Okay, let us assume 7. 7 7s are 49. 9 here, 4 take carry. 7 zeros are 0 and add 4. 7 sevens are 49, 9 here, 4 take carry. 7 fives are 35 or 4 39. Can we write this term 39,949? No, we write 34,000 because 34,000 is less than this term. This term becomes greater than, so we can't write this term. Okay, so we assume here 6 because assuming 6 our answer comes nearest to 38,310. Okay, so assume here 6 here and 6 here, 34,236. Now subtract the product, take carry from this number because 0 minus 6 is can't possible. Becomes 10. 10 minus 6 4. Here number remains 0, so take carry from that number. So becomes 10. 10 minus 3 7. Okay, so here number remains 2. 2 minus 2 0. Okay, 2 minus 2 0. 4 minus 8 minus 4 4. 3 minus 3 0. So no need write 0 here because 0 is at extreme left. Okay, so this is our square root is complete because we have finding answer only up to 2 decimal places. Only up to 2 decimal places. So this is our final answer because we have found the answer up to 2 decimal places 1 and 2. So how to write the answer? 816081 square root's answer is 28.56 and so on. So on mean this question is also continues because but our answer we have find the answer up to the 2 decimals, so that's why we have right answer at this place. but इसका आंसर आगे भी फाइंड किया जा सकता है up to 3 4 5 and so on places तक. ओके, जब तक आप जहाँ तक ये क्वेश्चन हो सकता है. So student, with the same method you should solve all the other parts in your notes in your assignments. Thank you.